back to Roast and Relish. Today I am going to prepare ginger chutney. As we know that ginger helps in boosting up our immunity, during these days it is very essential to include ginger in our everyday cooking. So let's see the ingredients required. 4 to 5 pieces of ginger. I have peeled it, removed the skin and cleaned it and kept it. 1 cup of curry leaves. I have already cleaned it. 1 small lemon size of tamarind, 5 to 6 red chilies, mustard for seasoning, gingery oil, salt for taste. Now we should grind this curry leaves, ginger, tamarind, red chilies and salt together in a mixer grinder and make it into a smooth paste. Now I have added everything in the mixer grinder. So while adding this red chilies, if you want less spicy, you can take out 1 red chili and add only 5. So according to your spiciness, you can add this. Now let's grind this. Now I have grinded into a smooth paste. You can see the paste. So it should be like this. I have added little water to grind it nicely into a smooth paste. Now take a kadai and then pour the gingery oil. I have taken nearly 2 tablespoons of gingery oil. Oil must be little more. Now the oil is really hot, so you can see the smoke coming out. As it is gingery oil, we'll get lots of smoke from it. So we can add the mustard seeds now. So here are mustard seeds. Along with that, some broken urad dal also is there. I have already added and kept it. Let it splutter. Keep it in medium flame. After it has spluttered, you can add the ginger paste into it. Keep it in low flame. Now stir it nicely. Please keep the flame in low. We have to saute this for 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. So we need to saute this till the raw smell goes off. Now you can see the oil slowly separating from the chutney. So it's almost 7 minutes. So you can off the flame at this moment. After 7 minutes it looks like this, so we can remove it from the kadai. Now the healthy spicy ginger chutney is ready. So you can use it like a pickle also. So it is very healthy for us. You can take this in little quantity every day. This goes well with idli, dosa and even white rice. You can mix it with white rice and have it as such. To be very delicious and helps in digestion also. This ginger chutney will not get spoiled easily. You can store it for many days in the refrigerator. Use a very clean airtight container and keep it in the fridge. Thank you friends. Meet you in the next video. Bye. Hello friends. A small tip for today. When we store stone salt in a container, sometimes it becomes wet and oozes out some water. This makes the salt sticky and it becomes a problem. So how to avoid this? Take some raw rice and sprinkle on the stone salt and store as such. This raw rice absorbs the excess water from the salt. So this works fine even for a salt shaker when the holes are blocked due to the wetness of the salt. So you can sprinkle some rice into the salt shaker and you can use it as such. This helps the salt to freely fall from the holes and keeps the salt dry. As you can see, it will freely fall and even after many days, it will flow freely like this. So it will be a great tip for you. Hope this tip will be very much useful for you. See you in the next video. Bye friends.